Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ryan and we have Rihanna this time behind the camera. And today we're looking at this beautiful 81 Corvette. I don't know if you can pick it up in this lighting, but it's actually a nice maroon. It's got a really nice purple to it. In the shade, it kind of looks like that dark black a little bit, but it's definitely maroon. Paint's in good condition as well. This is a nice potent little package. I mean, definitely looks like it was probably repainted in the last 5 or 6 years. And it also looks like he put some new interior parts in on it. The interior on this thing is really strong. Gorgeous car. But yeah, these Corvettes, they're fun to drive. They look good, they drive good. So let's quit gawking, let's take her for a spin. Alright, so we have her pulled out here. We have our AC on, it is blowing. You can feel it through the vents there. Also, radio works. And it looks like we have all of our gauges. RPM's acting a little funny. It was working, now it's pinned. But when you start the car, you see it move, and we do actually have a working speedometer as well. Power windows work as well. Going up. Down, and then let's look at the passenger window as well. Completely functions. Alright, well, let's go drive. Let's have some fun. Oh yeah, she gets up, she moves. Steering feels nice and tight. The beauty of these Corvettes is, I mean, I've driven every body style, every year, and you can always tell that you're in a Corvette. They all just have that visceral, tight, sporty, just ready to rock type feeling to them. And that's, I know that's why people love them. That's why they're great cars. Sounds nice. Brakes are feeling pretty good too. I'm not getting any like wobbling or like the death wobbles or anything like that. Not pulling. And same with the brakes. Nice and straight. Gorgeous car. Alright, let's go ahead and make a quick U-turn, head back to the shop and get her in the air.